I hope you're enjoying this video and the tour of Casa del Campo, and be sure to press the like and subscribe button for my YouTube channel for more. These are the villas and the entry room level, and each room gets a golf cart. We are in a superior casita. This is so calm and soothing. Everything is in crisp white. There are plugins for your devices and a clock. The beds look so comfortable. Desk and a television. Lots of great lighting. Wow, look at this closet. Safe, iron. A rack for your suitcases. Fluffy towels. Sink with lit makeup mirror. Toilet. Shower. And a large balcony to sit and have a cup of coffee. And this is the coffee station. Beautiful. You would be very comfortable in this casita, and you have your own golf cart. How fabulous is this? And it's so peaceful.
Not even with all inclusive.
No.
Okay.
But when you
This room category is called suite. And again, the lovely white crisp linens, plug-ins, lamps on either side of the bed, area for seating, lovely balcony with a great view. Golf course is right here. Flat screen TV and bathtub, as well as a shower. Vanity with double sinks, fluffy towels, and again a walk-in closet with a safe, an area to place your luggage.
These sheets are incredibly silky.
They look at how sumptuous. This is the suite, and it is amazing. Coffee and tea, and look at this room. King-size bed, lamps on either side, sofa, phone and plug-ins, and all of the switches for lighting. And look at the balcony. And the view. Oh, I see the ocean. This is stunning. And we are entering into the living area of the suite. Doesn't that sofa look comfortable? Viewing your flat screen TV. Overhead fan with vaulted ceilings. Table for room service. Very large balcony. This would be perfect for wedding couples. You could have your cocktail party here. This is the bathroom
Can you do
with lots of tan amenities.
butler service in any of the categories?
Jacuzzi,
Or it's not really?
double shower,
Okay.
Not for now.
double sinks, fluffy towels for sure, bathroom, toilet and a bidet. A large walk-in closet.
That would be more if you were.
The suite at Casa Del Campo. Beautiful. Hi, it's Susan at Escapes, and I hope you're enjoying this video of Casa De Campo. And please be sure to like and subscribe. There's going to be a lot more videos like this to come. Thank you.